like to take this opportunity to thank Machine Maker and Hari. We really appreciate what they are doing for the manufacturing industry in the country.
Venkatesh Mudragalla, Director, Jeh Aerospace Private Limited. The Manufacturing Maestro of Hydrabad edition was felicitated by Ajit Varma, Managing Director, Mechanical Assembly Systems, and Rohan Tonde, Marketing Manager, Zeiss.
Thank you so much, Hari and Machine Maker. We are really honored with this recognition. The support that you are extending to the manufacturing industry in the country will go a long way in taking this forward. Really appreciate what you're doing.
This program of Machine Makers, program of Maestros was a terrific event. Harishank has done a fantastic job of providing a platform to all the very genuine small-scale entrepreneurs.
There are a lot of generational entrepreneurs here, but these kind of entrepreneurs is what we wanted to really bring out along with you guys. And amazing story, sir. Even with the new investments, congratulations for that, and congratulations for recent 100 crores that he achieved.